How to replace a lock core in your NV 2.0 cable lock. We will be replacing a 4-digit core with another 4-digit core using the serrated core removal key. If you are replacing a 4-digit core with a 3-digit core, it will be the same process, but you will remove the 4-digit core with the serrated key, and then you will use the flat edge key to insert the 3-digit core, or vice versa. Other tools you need will be the plastic plug tool, the original core key, and your new core and key. Start by pulling the cable lock from the rear tire tray housing and remove the lid of the lock to expose the lock core face. Unlock the core and hold it open. A small pin in the rear of the lock will open and close as you turn the key. Insert the plug to keep the lock in an open position. Using your removal key, serrated for 4-digit or flat edge for 3, insert it into the core and pull the core out of the lock housing. Insert the removal key into your new core, then line up the bottom of the core with the built-in channel in the housing to nest the core inside. You will need to hold the core in place as you remove the key. Using your new lock core key, hold the lock open again and remove the plug from the back. Finally, slide the cable lock back into the rear tire tray housing. Repeat these steps for any other cable locks.